Within Max Completions, there's a feature called spread management. This is available to company super users because it allows you to schedule jobs and assign personnel and equipment to those jobs. Before jumping into spread management, there are some confirmation points that should be made. Operations management, districts. You want to make sure that the district you will be working with is available. If it's not in your list, you can click Add District, enter your district name, select default, and click Add. Next, virtual units. When it comes to virtual units, DCS employees must make any adjustments to this screen. So if you need to add a virtual unit, please contact CTESsupport at NOV.com or your sales contact at DCS. Here's a unit that we will be working with. It's assigned to the correct district. Next, we want to go to personnel. You'll click Add Personnel. You'll enter any information with an asterisk. That's the minimum amount of information required to save this personnel. You can also upload a photo, add certifications, certification date, the expiration date, save. Next, we will go to our equipment. Here you can add equipment, the same steps taken to add the personnel. Now we're ready to jump over to spread management. So go to Operations, Spread Management. Click the Personnel tab, and this is where you can create your spread. So you name your spread whatever you'd like. Make sure that it's assigned to the district that the virtual unit in question is assigned to. Click your service line, make sure it's active. So here, you can drag over any personnel that you created. If they are in blue, that means they're available to be assigned. If they're in white, that means that they are already assigned. So you saw that these were blue until I brought them over. Now we can save. Next, we can go to our equipment tab. So we'll find the spread that we're working on, click our drop-down arrow, and here we can assign equipment that we created that is assigned to the specific spread and district, and then you can bring over your virtual unit. Save that information. So now we're ready to add a job. So under Operations, click on Jobs. This is your standard job list. Add job. So once you've created a spread, you select it from the drop-down, and it automatically adds your virtual unit to this job. So it added our district, our service line. Here we can select our job type, our job name, click your operator, your start date, and your scheduled end date. This is the minimum amount of information that's necessary to add this job as a scheduled job. We do suggest that you add assigned vendors to this job. You can add any files so that all of the information can stay in one centralized location. Add on-site contact, names, phone numbers, and email addresses, directions to the well, etc. So now we can add this job. There it is, our scheduled job. We can return to spread management. So here, under the spread, we can see this scheduled job in yellow. If you click on the job, there's additional information that you can assign to the specific job. You can go to your job dashboard, you can import service data, or you can edit the job from there.